Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick update about the plans for the channel, as you're probably gonna see things that are confusing. I don't know. I don't know what people are gonna think about it, but I just want to make my plan for this year clear. I'm still working it out in my head. My goal ultimately is to get to working on the main game I want to work on. There's a couple little side ones, but I really want to work on this game. And the reality is it takes a lot of time and energy to get much done. So I'm looking for support, of course, but I don't really know how to ask for support. So what I'm kind of doing instead is I'm going to try to get as many good tutorials out as possible at the beginning of the year. That way, hopefully, they kind of carry my channel so that I can take some downtime to actually work on the stuff I want to work on. And I do want to do devlogs on them, but I don't know. I want to keep the project pretty private until it's actually ready for a demo. So the devlogs on this one are going to be tricky, but I think I can manage to keep doing these game engine coding quickie videos that I've been doing. People seem to like those, just about things I learn, but more kind of unrelated to the context of my project. Now, I've made videos on the synopsis of the project, so it's nothing new. It's extended stay. I made a video talking about it, but basically, uh, nah, I'm not going to get into it again. It's still a little unclear in my head, but it's going to be a lot of work, and I realize that, and I also realize that in general, it's going to be a lot of unpaid work, and I'm okay with that. Uh, you guys probably kind of realize that that's kind of how it is on YouTube for a long time anyway. You do a ton of unpaid work. But I am sort of to the point where I can like release videos and expect them to do at least a tiny bit of something. So that's nice. And of course, the members of my channel on Patreon and here on YouTube do help a ton. So that's kind of the main way of support right now. So yeah, that's where it's at. Um, I guess if you really want to see where the stuff is at, you can join any of the source tiers, which is a little more expensive, but also I will be quick to answer your questions, especially about coding and stuff on that tier. But that's where the latest game engine versions are, and that's the one I'll be working on throughout the year. The game files are going to be separate, of course, because the game engine is just the library to load in all the media and logic and stuff for the game. So I should still be able to manage to keep that private even while having the main engine available to at least some people who want the extra stuff. So that's the plan for this year. Basically, try to bust out as many uh, tutorials, easy for me videos, which actually aren't as easy as they seem. Like the Blender ones took me so many hours to get those edited, somewhat due to my, well, I don't know. I was debating, it's like, do I just re-record this or do I just edit my mistakes? I don't know what the right answer is there. I don't want to keep recording the same video. So you just kind of have to go with it after a while and release what you got. And that's what I'm doing. I hope they do well. I hope they help people. There was definitely some new changes in Blender 3.0 with the video editing and stuff. And my previous videos on such a topic did decently in the years before. So I'm hoping that they help people and help carry the channel some in this new year so that I can get a little freedom to work on my own thing and do my own goals because, well, as much as I enjoy helping people and making tutorials, it's not exactly my dream. It's just kind of something I do on the side. I don't know if that makes total sense to everybody, but I think most teachers, their dream isn't exactly to be a teacher. They're just usually doing that to kind of support their other interests, and you might as well teach something if you're getting good at it, because why not? You might as well, even if you're just getting an apprentice or something. It's kind of a waste to learn a bunch of stuff and never pass along the knowledge. So I really do appreciate you guys, I guess, soaking it in and leaving comments and stuff. All right, well, that's my plan as of right now for the new year. I hope you'll stick around and support me and all that good stuff. So love you guys. Have a good year. Peace out.